Hello my friend. Welcome in this new recording. I am currently testing a new format because I received everything I needed to connect my Fujifilm X-T4 camera to my computer. And so here it is. I'm right now streaming with this camera and it seems to be working just fine. Couple of notes I wanted to make on this. It's not exactly the initial design I had planned for the setup because what I thought I would be doing was to connect the camera over USB 3. And there's a tool that you can install on your computer, which is a Fujifilm 2 webcam software, I believe. You can find that online, of course. And using that, normally you should be able to pretend that your camera is a webcam. And I really wanted to start with this because it seems to be the easiest option if you want to use your your camera as a webcam. Except that for me, it was just not working at all. I mean, from the very beginning, I could not get this to work. But I am in a bit of a special case because on my side, I actually have my computer way behind me. So I need a USB 3 cable, which is pretty long, so 5 meters. And if you use a 5 meters USB 3 cable, you're going to have problems with loss of signal power and instability with your devices. So at first I tried with an ordinary USB 3 5 meters long cable, and this was simply just not working at all because when I was trying to test the webcam, actually I was trying to test that directly in Chrome when you can try to test a webcam online, for instance. It would simply just pretend that, yeah, you get one image from the camera, but then it's disconnected immediately, so it's absolutely not usable. Then I decided, okay, it's probably because of the power loss in the cable, so I bought an active USB 3 cable. I have this paper here. I can't really show you the cable for the moment, but I mean, this is not really going to help. It's not showing anything. That's just the package in which I received the cable. And for that cable, you can actually plug power input cable on the USB 3 cable itself. So yeah, it's a 5-volt power supply. And when you plug this in, it's supposed to enhance the signal that is transmitted over the cable. But unfortunately, even with this cable, the USB connection was still not working for me. Every time I tried to test the camera going on the web page where you can test your webcam, I would still get the same display showing, yeah, one image, maybe just moving a little bit, and after that, poof, black screen, no more input anymore, so not stable. And yeah, pretty desperating. But at the same time, I had also bought another device, which is a video capture device. This small package that I have here on Amazon, and it's not even 20 euros. It's something like 18 euros something for me. And this will in fact allow you to plug in 4K input and stream, well, capture your 4K input and get this as an input on your computer side, which is a 1080p actually. So you can in fact use that to plug a cable in the HDMI output of your camera and stream your camera on HDMI. And so I tried that just after, still using this active USB 3 cable. And this option is what we have here. So it seems to be working pretty well. It's stable. There's also the sound included in the HDMI stream, so that's all good. And yeah, maybe the only thing is, I mean, it depends then on how you can set up your camera itself, because on my side right now, for instance, I'm not actually recording anything on the camera. I just turn the camera into movie mode, so not the still mode, and this is just the display that I get without activating the recording. So yeah, I think there are a few options that you probably should activate, and this we're coming from the Fujifilm webpage itself, where you can download the webcam application. So for instance, I think you can turn the autofocus on, and it's going to focus automatically, and all this, well, you could still tweak that afterwards here, but in the case of a USB connection, you have to do it before plugging in the USB. Anyway, only limitation I found with that is if you're not actually recording a movie with your camera, at some point, if you have your power management activated, you could have it set to turn the camera off after something like 2 minutes or 5 minutes, which was the initial configuration I had actually. So if you start recording something, after 2 minutes, your camera is going to shut down itself, so you won't get anything more than a black screen after that. So yeah, you have to disable that for the duration of your recording on your computer. But then at the same time, I feel that it's a bit like a dangerous setting. I don't want to keep that deactivated on a day-to-day basis when I'm using the camera outside. Because if you forget, for instance, to turn it off, then it's going to really stay on maybe for a long time, and this is going to draw your battery, and yeah, not good. So I'm probably going to set this back to active power management when I'm done with my computer recording sessions. But apart from that, very happy with the result. Actually, here I am recording just the webcam. This is the recording I'm doing is in OBS Studio. And yeah, I can, for instance, switch to a different scene, back to the full webcam. Very cool. And that's it, basically. The only remaining thing for me is maybe to test the quality of the sound, because I'm not really sure that the sound itself is very good. If it's not, it means that I would need to maybe connect a microphone somehow on the camera itself, something that I could pin on my shirt or something like that. I'm not sure how I could do that, or I could invest in a dedicated microphone. I don't know. We'll see. For now, first try, video at least is very good, so I'm very happy with that. So yeah, good luck if you have the same kind of camera and you try to set up something similar. And yeah, see you another time. Bye bye.